Hi everyone, today I want to discuss with you why all the food supplementation and this weird oil and stuff and serum that you can buy to make your hair regrow are completely ineffective when you have androgenetic alopecia. So if you are interested, I posted a video recently where I explain exactly what is androgenetic alopecia, so female pattern baldness, and how it works physiologically, because it's important to understand this video, so don't hesitate to check this video. It's on the playlist Alopecia, Hair Topper, English videos about alopecia, hair topper and wigs on my YouTube channel. So when you have female pattern baldness or androgenetic alopecia, it means that you lose your hair gradually, chronically, and that it's not due to a lack of some vitamins or some elements like iron. Because if you lose your hair because of lack of a vitamin or something else, so dermatologist will give you this food supplementation and it will be enough to make your hair regrow. But in this video I want to discuss about androgenic alopecia. So it's like calvicia in men. When men are bald, it's the same physiological causes, and it means that you lose your hair gradually, chronically, because of the receptor on the follicle that is too sensitive to dihydrotestosterone. So because the follicle is too sensitive, it will make more cycles more fast, and it will die faster than usual follicles that you can keep for all your life. So if you have androgenic alopecia like me, you can change your food as you want, as often as you want. You can eat good food or bad food. It will not change anything, and it's the same thing with oil and serum and some recent oil that you can put on your scalp. It won't change anything, because what happens is at the molecular level with your follicle receptor. So you can put anything on your scalp, you can shave your hair, it won't help the hair to regrow, it won't change anything. And I think it's important to share this message with you, because I see in my customers, in my Common Diadem customers, a lot of women that are still fighting against their alopecia, but it's almost impossible to fight, because it's like fighting against aging. When you have androgenic alopecia, it's a physiological trait, it's a physiological character that you have, and you cannot change it. You can fight against it, but with time you will always lose. And the best way, I think, to handle this pathology is not to put too much energy in things that are not effective, like food gels with a lot of vitamins inside, or sometimes there are people that are putting light on their scalp, like LED. I think it can work a bit, because there are some research that says that LED light can work a bit, but it will be, you have to do this all your life, because if you stop, it will go again the same way, because it's like fighting against ages, as I already told you. And also, what I wanted to tell you is that if sometimes you see me on Facebook ads for food supplementations or serum or oil that you put on your scalp, and sometimes you can see some brands selling random products, and they use my videos from YouTube, like this one, with my hair, like this one, but actually it's a hair topper from my brand. It's not their product that is effective, they are just stealing, they are just taking my images from my YouTube video. And it's also a proof that these products are not efficient, because if they were, they would not take pictures and photos and videos from YouTube content of hair toppers and wigs brand owner. I know that when we have androgenic alopecia, one of the first reactions is to try to find a solution to make your hair regrow. And sometimes in your friends and family, you will always have this kind of advices like, oh, you should change your food, or maybe you are too stressed, or maybe you should take this or try this. The only question that you have to tell yourself is, if this product is effective, would it be effective on a bald man like Bruce Willis or Jason Statham? If the answer is no, it won't work on you either, neither. Because the androgenic alopecia on women is the same physiological cause than androgenic alopecia, calvitia for men. So if it doesn't work on a bald man, it won't work on you. And trust me, there is no magical potion on earth that is working, because if it was the case, we all would know it in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds. Sorry, my English is very, very bad today. I'm a bit tired. So, if there was something that is efficient, my brand would not work, and I would not be selling hair toppers worldwide every day. The information today is really easy to share, easy to expand with social media. So the day there will be a solution, we will all know it, and I will be really happy to use it on myself in the first days. So it's really important to understand this, because I can see that a lot of brands are using the sadness of people with alopecia to sell them things that are not efficient at all. And sometimes it's really expensive, like mesotherapia, LED things. There are a lot of things that we can sell to alopecian girl that are not effective. And I agree that hair toppers and wigs can also be expensive, but at least you know what you buy. And you have a real result at the end. So yes, you pay the price, but you have the result for this price. Also, I can see that a lot of women are fighting against their alopecia for years with a lot of product on their scalp. And for me, it's like an insect trapped in spider thing like that are moving so much, but it's useless, and it's a lot of loss of energy for nothing. So I think the best way to handle alopecia is to accept it psychologically. So maybe seeing a psychologist can be a good idea, or discuss it with friends, or join Facebook groups or things like that to try to accept this pathology. There are also solutions like hair topper and wigs, but also hair powder, or things that are maybe less, that are more transitioning in the fake hair world, like hair powder or mascara for the scalp. But I really think that buying this kind of product like serum, or spending a lot of months and years to take food supplementations is not good, and maybe it's even not good for your health to take all those food and capsule supplementations. So I hope that you liked this video. If you want to know more about my alopecia pathway, don't hesitate to look at the video Alopecia, My Nightmare, My Solution. And you will have all the details of what I tried to fight my alopecia before coming to the fake hair world, because I was diagnosed when I was 20 years old, so it's a long time ago now. And don't hesitate to subscribe, it's free. And if you need some advice to choose the best piece for you on the Comme un Diadème website, don't hesitate to join me on Instagram or on the website. And see you soon in my next video.